Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, I'm going to update you about the unbiased Testix.in reviews and will let you know is Testix.in legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Testix offers variety of products such as household appliances, kitchenware appliances, sound collection, trimmer collection and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these products are too good to believe. So before buying anything from Testix.in, let's check its authenticity. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment options are Airtel Pay, MX, Freecharge, Mastercard, Paytm, RuPay and Visa. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that Testix offers free shipping to all the Indian PIN codes. And apart from this guys, here we can see that shipping time is not specified anywhere. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 60 days after delivery, and refund if applicable will be initiated automatically in the mode of payment that was used by you at the time of purchase. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that you as a customer can cancel your order anytime up to the cutoff time of the slot for which you have placed an order by calling their customer service. So now it becomes very crucial for us to know the way to contact their customer service. Therefore, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that office address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@testix.in. And here we can see that an email ID matches with the domain name, which is quite a positive sign. But apart from this guys, I would like to inform you that the given contact number is invalid, so you won't be able to call their customer executives. Addition to this, Testix.in lacks presence on social media platforms. So guys, again it's a red flag. Therefore now let's move on to check the registration details. So here we can see Testix.in was registered on 21st October 2021. So this is quite a new website as it was registered yesterday only. Since this is a new website, so let's check the content quality. So guys, here we can see that 25% of the content along with the images of the products over this website is copied as it matches with other scam websites. So it's a negative highlight. Also friends, by clicking on the I button above, you can watch a video on one such similar scam website which is exactly same as Testix.in. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. Guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus it's a red flag, because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in determining the legitimacy of any shopping website. So guys, loopholes such as incorrect contact details, lack of presence on social media platforms, lack of customer remarks, low trust index, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of Testix.in. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye, guys. Stay safe, stay informed.